If you want to take a partial screenshot on the OnePlus 15R, what you can do is you can, for example, use 3 fingers, press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then you can lift them, and then you should be able to select the area, just like that. So you can select the area that should be captured. You can of course adjust the size and the area by grabbing by these white lines that we have on all sides or in the corners. And also with 3 fingers, if you press and hold them without lifting them, you can just swipe down in order to select the area as well. So we have 2 ways to capture that partial screenshot with a gesture. Not only that, we can also go to the control center or quick settings, and if you find the screenshot button, you can tap on the screenshot text in order to find the partial screenshot option. And this allows you to select the area as well. And you can take a partial screenshot quite easily. If the 3-finger gestures do not work for you, you want to go to settings, then over here choose accessibility and convenience, and then if you scroll down we should be able to find screenshot, and now in here you want to make sure that 3-finger touch and hold is enabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.